Memoir kwa ba Adom TV so de yedru no Kasee Tau ye miam de Kasee no esomedin edukatechi eje sikapa afi nsem no enkyeremu eni wo mining in motion conference yampanyefo de hye so e wonkramantam ne mu ase no Ghana mampanyini John Mahama ne nsem ye odi tu dwa wo kyeremu nhye bi ampanyefo di egu akwa mu ye no beboa amase obi na agese be excavators e de frama hofroma bo my Ghana mu agese oni ekro no odi nkan e mane to mikrata.
Working together with the small-scale mining sector, we will reclaim our forest reserves and restore the purity of our water bodies. Our river guards are working on clearing mining activities in our water bodies and on the banks of our rivers. We've successfully, as the minister told you, we have successfully cleared illegal miners out of 8 out of the 9 no-go zone forest reserves. We will track excavators, as the minister said, in order to know whether they are being used for illegal mining or not. And we intend to change the permitting regime. Ghana has more excavators in this country than in the whole of Africa. We're going to change the permitting regime. You will not be allowed to import an excavator or put it on a ship unless you get a permit before you can ship an excavator.
Intino wojumadi krono ase no Asantehene otumfo setutu otosomie no sikopie mu ase bi wo kire mo se ho abahia pa ase hemfo ya won me wo my Ghana nyina mo betumi akom ho ba ko abom ni nyina no betumi abo na Galamsey ko aye ko my Ghana mo no etumi awie peye.
It cannot be denied that a cocktail of regulatory failures, political miscalculations, and corruption have combined to make the task of curbing the menace more challenging. But there's no issue here which is insoluble. We have an opportunity to calmly dissect the policy options and tools available to deal with the problem. I feel sure it is within the capacity of this gathering of industry experts, end users and policymakers to fashion our solutions that work for the good of the nation. I feel obliged, however, to call for a sense of perspective. The mining industry has had its challenges in recent years, symbolized more forcibly by the near collapse of Anglo-Gold Ashanti in Obuasi, but Obuasi is back on track, and overall the industry to me is in robust health. Almost all our major companies are improving on their performance. The emergence of the new gold board is a creative initiative with new horizons for the industry, increasing the raising prospects for more investments and higher yields. As I'm sure we will hear from the Minister for Lands, who will be speaking later, the outlook for the future is truly great, with increasing evidence of the presence of some of the new critical minerals the world needs to drive the new green economy. Unfortunately, we are in danger of diverting our attention from the bright prospects ahead onto the avoidable pitfalls of illicit mining. For the sake of the nation, please let us hold our nerves and allow ourselves to unwittingly obstruct the path to an even more robust industry.
Nyina sansi mi so na Kasee am de so mewie no mefa nyina no insission so ho yo fedia mante bia ono ewo bubuashi Atiko Junction opsi Destiny Studio na atade yo pam ye ede ma memedin edo katechi eje skapa meso so yi obrejumedi eto aso.